Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Stonewater, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. It's a listing my wife just got, and she's working on an open house right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home. As you can see, it has a paver driveway, double car garage, and let me tell you a little bit more. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,032 square feet on the air. And it's a nice one. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you walk in, you're walking with this long hallway. Okay, as you can see, you have plank tiles all throughout the house except in the bedrooms. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start first with the 2 bedrooms here in the front, and then we'll move out to the back. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here you got this little hallway here that takes you to room number 1. Okay, this is the room in front of the house. And as you can see, the size of the room, it's pretty nice, big size. And also you got 8-foot doors. You have a very nice closet here. There's a lot of space. Okay, now you got a towel closet over here. And here's your guest bathroom. The vanity has granite countertops. And also the tile on the backsplash of the bathtub is all the way to over here. So nice tile, not plastic. Over here you got another closet. Well, this looks like the towel closet. Well, you could use either one. But it's good that it has a lot of closet, and as you can see, these are all 8-foot doors. So there's a lot of space to put stuff on the top that you're not going to use all the time. Okay, so over here, this is bedroom number 2. Okay, we move around. As you can see, it's also, I think it's almost the same size as the other one. It's a pretty big room. Okay, you also have your fan on the top, and you have your closet over here. Okay, so now let's continue. We're back at the hallway, and now this area over here has a room over there. You have your double car garage on this side. Check out the garage. Over there you got your hurricane shutters, your electric panel, and back here you have your water heater. Okay, so let's continue. Over here is where your AC carrier, 3 tons. Then over here is your laundry room. Okay, you got your washer and dryer and a nice sink there. You got your shelf up here, a lot of space. You could put shelves on the top over here. So if you'd like to, add more stuff in here, you could put more shelves on here. So it's nice and spacious. And this is room number 3. And the same as the other 2 rooms, very nice size. With your nice big 8-foot door, closet door there. Let's continue. I can tell you that this community Stonewater offers you a lot of amenities, and they're not that expensive. So the HOAs are not that bad. So if you'd like to know more information about the HOA and the price of this property, just feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go in the description below, or give us a call at 239-410-7372. We would love to answer any of your questions, okay? So over here you got your living room area, and really nice size living room area. And the current owner actually installed this beautiful cabinet here from side to side. So if you're a person that has a lot of things, this is a lot of storage space there. And it's very nice and elegant. It makes the room looks really nice. And it has a nice top on it. I don't think it's granite, but looks very nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead and turn around here so you can visualize this humongous room here. As you can see, it's very spacious, open concept. Okay, you got your nice kitchen over there, your dining room there, and your slider that lead to the very nice lanai. Okay, so now over here, let's take a tour around the kitchen area. So that way you get a closer look. Okay, let's start over here with the dining room area. As you can see, you have plenty of space for a nice big table. You got those nice glass windows on the top that brings a lot of light. And over here, you got a beautiful island here with granite countertops. You can see you could fit 3 stools on this side. Okay, and it's all stainless steel appliances. It's made by Whirlpool. And check out the cabinets, they're nice and high. I think they're 48 inches. Okay, now over here is your sink on the stainless steel under mount, where you're in the middle of the whole room here. If you have guests, you can actually be talking to them in the living room. You could be also talking to them over here on the dining room, and you could be also looking at the patio from this angle here. So this area here where you're washing your dishes, you have control of the whole home. A lot of people like that. So over here you got your pantry. It's one thing that everybody likes, is to have a big pantry, and this home does have a humongous pantry, as you can see. And like the 8-foot doors, you always have more space to put more shelves. Okay, so over here you got like a side to put maybe your coffee machine. Right now everybody's putting an espresso machine, so they need space for that, and that would be a perfect spot for an espresso machine. And over here you have your Whirlpool refrigerator. Okay, so very nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. Okay, and then we'll go outside so you could check out the yard. This home actually has a really nice yard, even being an HOA, has a really good sized yard. Okay, so this is the master. Check out how spacious it is. Very big room. Let me get over here in the corner so you visualize the size. It's a very huge room. And you have a nice window that leads to the patio. You stand over here in this corner so you can visualize the room. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the closets. Okay, you have here closet number 1. And over here, we have closet number 2. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bathroom. You can see you have a very nice vanity, really nice big size, granite countertop, beautiful humongous mirror, and nice hanging lights from the top there. Very nice. Now on this side, you have your shower. Okay, you have a bench inside and a window to put your soaps right there. So really nice. Now over here, you got your toilet closet. Okay. This is a very nice floor plan. It's very spacious, as you can see, with a nice high ceilings. I mean, if you're looking for a home in a community, this could be it, okay? Our community offers a lot of things. I'll be putting some pictures of the community at the end of the video so you could see what the community has to offer. So stay tuned. And now let's go outside and take a look at the lanai. Check out the size of this lanai. As you can see, it's a very big. A lot of people tend to like to have big lanais, and this is a big one. And also you have the big screen and all the panels here, and they don't have any bars going through, so you have a beautiful view going out the screen, so it's really nice. Let me stand on this corner over here so you can visualize the size of this lanai here. Okay, very nice. So let's go outside now and take a look at the yard. You can see it has a very nice big yard. Okay, all fenced in. You're probably wondering what's going on in the backyard there. There's some kind of construction going on. It's kind of some kind of complex is going to go out there. I don't know exactly what it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be another community, or I don't know if it's going to be apartment buildings. I don't know what they're going to have, but as soon as I find out, I'll let you guys know. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, okay? So over here, you got this angle from the backyard. As you can see, very nice, big size. You got enough space here to put a pool, but this community offers a lot of amenities, and one of them, it's a beautiful pool. So let me show you here in the video all the amenities this community brings. And remember, if you want to check on the HOA and how much it is, feel free to scan the barcode on your screen or go in the description below, and you get the full detail on everything that this property has to offer. Okay, I also would like to let you guys that if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 24 years, and we have helped a lot of our subscribers. So don't hesitate, give us a call. Also, if you're new to the channel and you would like to see more about Cape Coral and Southwest Florida, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and also please give me a like so that way it helps improve my algorithm in YouTube. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more homes, just click here.